Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class we will discuss about styling the tables, HTML tables, how to style tables with the CSS. Okay, so we already discussed in the HTML tutorials how to make a tables, okay, with table tags, th table header tag, tr that is table row tag, and td that is table data, all these things. Okay, I'm not going to explain from basic, rather than I will start from the styling itself, friends. So if you have any doubt in the basics, go back to my HTML tutorials and see that video, HTML tables video. So now coming to the concept, if you need to apply the table borders, then you need to select the table, that is a table tag, and the table header, and td, that is table data. So you can apply, this is called group selectors. Okay, so group of tags we are selecting and applying the properties. So what property? Border, that is 1px width, border style is solid, border color is black. This is shorthand notation, friends. So let me point by point I will uh, show it to you in the code. Let me, this is the ready-made table which I had already typed in order to save the time. I'm uncommenting it. Okay, here this is the table tag and table close tag. Okay, and then tr refers to the table row, th refers to the heading of the table, and td refers to the table data. Okay, so let me save it so that you can see. Name, job, company, this is the table data, that is name. Okay, job column. Okay, and this is the company column. Okay, now this is the raw table, raw html table. Okay, so without any styling, without any makeup. So we need to add some makeup to this table to appear well. Okay, so in order to do that, so I had given the id. Okay, so now select that id, say hi, or you can define like select table th and td. Okay, and apply border, border like what? Border width is 1px, style is solid line, and color is black. Okay, let me save now and you can see the change. Here some format, some good format has come up on the screen compared to the earlier. Okay, so td means the data, around the data content, the border comes up. Okay, th also border comes up. Table means total table. If you remove these two tags and if you give only one and save it, then it will look like this. Okay, so if you give this tr, let's say take tr, th, let's give like it th. So only th means only this only will comes up, and if you give the td, save. Okay, all td will be there, and tr there is no influence. Okay, here there is no influence of adding tr. Okay, td and th is having the influence. Okay, so that is adding the border. But if you don't want the gaps in between these lines, then I'll you can make use of what table border collapse property. Okay, border collapse property is there for table. So if you give this one, then those borders gaps will be collapsed and it will be appeared in single line. Okay, so let me give here itself border collapse. Border collapse is called to collapse, and then now save it. Here you can see only that gaps are not there now. Okay, so this is the collapse property, right? And then what, header color, you can change the header color to whatever you want. So let me, it is becoming big and big. Okay, so let me define here one by one. So background color for only th, if you want to for only th, then we need to take like this th, select th and background. If I apply here, then entire table will got that property. Okay, so that's why I am taking it as separately. Order color as some tomato. Okay, okay, now let us save it. Here you can see the change, the heading has changed, right? So and then if you want that color to be COL or color of the text to be white, then you can give like this. Here you can see, so some pretty changes you can do. And width and height, so table width and height you can do, so that is an also other property. Now if you can see, the table is only this much wide. If you add the width of 100%, here you can see now the total it was stretched to the total width. So earlier it is not the case, right? So we can make some responsive tables also. Okay, let me see one by one. Table padding, it's very important. Table padding, so table padding means, you already saw, padding means what, the content and the space between the content and its surrounding border. Okay, if you take the Shiva content, this is the content, and the surrounding lines is the border. The space between the Shiva and its border is called the padding. Okay, so now I take TD and padding I am defining. Padding like say 30 px. So it will target, it will select all the TD elements and it will give 30 px of all sides. Okay, padding. Here you can see how a look was changed a lot. The space was increased between the border and the content, right? Okay, so like that. For if you want to apply these for the same thing for th also, then you can put this bit of code in here itself. Okay, so the table was now looking good. And then what, horizontal dividers, so border bottom one property is there, you can make use of, because so if you don't want these check boxes, if you want some border bottom, okay, border bottom, so 1 px solid color black. If you want black, you can go for black. So if you do it, then only the check boxes will disappear, only bottom borders will come. Okay, see. Okay, I need to take it off for the, I need to apply it for only TD. So I need to remove here. Here also I will remove. Here you can see only borders, bottoms I got, right? Like that. And then hover is also a good. Now I am resuming all those items because hover is a very good thing. Okay, when I placed my mouse on this row, if you want to highlight this row, whenever you place your mouse pointer on this particular row, then you can make use of hover. Okay, tr hover, tr hover. Okay, hover, and you can make its background color, what, say some, you can go for what, something like dark gray. I saved it. Here you can see now. So whenever you put your mouse on this row, this particular row was highlighted, right? So like this, like this, like this, like this. If you put your pointer here, Hari, Java developer, Microsoft, Deepshika, web developer, Flipkart, it is to highlight some particular rows, friends. Okay, and the strip put table. So strip put table means like zebra alternate colors we can change, right? So for strip put table you can make use of like this. So this color is one, this alternate row color will get like that. Let me tr nth child. So you can give odd numbers color or even numbers color as you like. I will give odd, right? And then I am applying the background color uh, as what color I will give. Okay, I am giving this color, right? I am saving it. Now you can see the odd ones will get colored. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, 3 and 4 5. 5 is colored like that. And then this is a stripped table and responsive table. We can make the table responsive by wrap the table inside the div style, right? So if you resize the window, then it will also get resized, right? So let us do it here. Now the table is alone. Table is alone. Div. I am making a div wrapped the table inside the div. Okay, inside the div, and then id is equal to, say some, we can make use of id or no, style overflow. So we can make use of style, right? Style is equal to overflow x auto. Okay, we can make use of this property, right? And let me resize it. Okay, now if you resize this one, uh, So if I make some more columns, then you can, it will be visible to you. What I can do now, okay, let me add this some jargon to like this now. So the company part is increasing. Okay, so it is now, you can see the scroll bar comes up. Okay, so this is the response, you know. Okay, so if you don't use these, then what happens, you can see. Okay, let me resize this one. Okay, so that is the change, friends. Okay. If I add some text, then it will be, the change will be visible to you anyway, so I'm not going to do that. So the main part is, you can make your table like all the changes will be added to the table, and make the table appear well by doing all these properties, friends. Okay, so in order to demo this one, I need to add more and more data. Yeah, so I am not able to do this because it will increase the length. You can practice it, friends. Okay, in the next class we will uh, see some more topics in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Your Svira signing off. Thank you for listening.